If you are wondering if you could make a cream cheese frosting without butter, the answer is yes. It is also possible to make cream cheese frosting with just cream cheese. Also, please note that cream cheese frosting without butter is rich, tasty, and creamy as it melts in the mouth. Cream cheese frosting without butter. In most cases, making frosting without butter or cream cheese is easy. If you are trying to make cream cheese frosting recipes that exclude butter, you can make it by using full-fat cream cheese. Alternatives for butter when making frosting. Margarine. It is healthier than other alternatives and at par in taste and texture with butter, likewise, even derived from plant oils. Besides that, it contains little to no cholesterol. Cream cheese. It has a rich, creamy, and tangy flavor. Not only that, but also it is high in fat content. Plus, it is moist and spreadable like butter. In addition to that, it adds a unique flavor to the frostings. Heavy cream. In most cases, if you like an airy, light, and fluffy whipped frosting, you can use heavy cream as a butter substitute. Also, it may not be as spreadable as buttercream, but it does taste rich and creamy. Shortening. At room temperature, it is fat that is solid and derived from partially or fully hydrogenated vegetable oil. You can substitute shortening with equal parts of butter. However, it can add a stiffer consistency. Mascarpone. It is an Italian cream cheese derived from cow's milk. In addition to that, it has an off-white color and is spreadable. Also, it may not be as tangy as cream cheese but is delicious in its way. Avocado. In essence, it is a fruit that is considered a superfood. Because of that, it is full of nutrients that are good for heart health and eyes, and it also contains more potassium than bananas. Moreover, it may be strange to add avocado to the frosting. However, it can be transformed into a sweet, creamy frosting when made right. Coconut oil. Using coconut oil is an excellent alternative to butter most of the time. The main reason is that it will give you the same consistency when using butter. However, it has a hint of fresh coconut flavor. What you will need in making cream cheese frosting without butter for carrot cake. Ingredients: 1 pound of full-fat cream cheese, 1 pound of powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of salt. Step by step. Step 1. Place the room temp cream cheese, lemon juice, cornstarch, salt, and whipping cream inside a mixing bowl. Then, whip the mix with an electric mixer until it becomes light and fluffy. Step 2. Add the powdered sugar. Afterward, add the vanilla extract to the mixture and continue to whisk at medium-high speed for about 2 minutes. Likewise, you can do so until the frosting becomes light and fluffy. Not only that, but also till it resembles a whipped cream consistency or the desired consistency. Tips and tricks. When the frosting is too soft, add a bit more powdered sugar. At the same time, if the frosting is too stiff, add a tablespoon of whipping cream to lighten the mixture. Remember that the more you whisk, the lighter the frosting will become when whisking or whipping. However, avoid over-whipping the frosting, or it will break down and curdle. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.